Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So if you want to factory reset your phone, which basically means that your phone will go to the original settings, so the ones that you get out of the box. And to factory reset, we need to open up the settings. Then scroll down to System, tap Reset Phone, tap Erase All Data, and then click Erase All Data again. And once you do that, it's going to start the reset process. Just follow whatever it asks you to do. And once you've done that, your phone will go back to its initial state. Do keep in mind that your phone will be fully reset. There will be none of your data left, and it's better to make a backup of your phone. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.